Okay, so let's talk about what the home inspector will get if they attend your online workshop.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, so last year in Arlington, we did breakout sessions because we had a variety of different topics. And what happens is this year, we're focused in this live virtual workshop on one thing, and that is getting business directly from the public. I call it reducing your dependency on real estate agent referrals. Okay, so you're going to get 8 90-minute business presentations, all related to starting with step 1 to keyword research, all the way to video marketing and all the other things. The other thing is we're going to have 2 panel discussions. One of them is some industry giants that are savvy clients were one-man shops in the beginning, and now they're very successful large multi-inspector firms. And I want them to share with everybody who attends, did they like it, not like it, what were the pitfalls, what would they do differently, was it worth it? Okay, got a second panel on Saturday afternoon, 4 to 5 p.m. Eastern, and those guys are talking about, and they're very successful home inspectors as well, what they did in 2017 that worked, and 2018 that worked, and what they're going to do in 2019 to continue their success. And the panel discussions are always hugely received.
Sure.
So let's talk about a couple of other things. You're going to get the recordings we talked about, all the handouts, all the materials. You're going to get the Q&A call, the 90-minute Q&A call that will go on the landing page or the delivery page, and then that private Facebook group. So again, Steve, the price is only $297, less than one inspection. You've got access to all that live and then the replays. Yeah,
I mean, that's $297. You're going to have some time invested. But I tell you what, I've been to a lot of these seminars of yours, and I've worked with clients, and I've seen the results. So this is a great investment. There's no reason why, if you don't implement and do a lot of this stuff in a year, you're going to have 10-fold, 20-fold return on this $297.
That's
Easy.
Right. I'll tell you, Steve, that's really true, because a lot of the savvy clients that we do their done-for-you service and other online marketing are getting 150 or more calls a month.
Right.
And we track it so that the client knows it, so they can calculate the return on investment. But the fact of the matter is, big or small markets, you got to have it. So, Steve, let me give you a little something else. We talked about this today. Here's why real estate agents, this is very important while they're still here, that you leverage them. Because they'll give Mr. and Miss Homebuyer that list of 3. You know what 78% of consumers do immediately? They research your company online. So we call those direct referrals. Okay, they didn't find you in organic search. They didn't find you on YouTube. They found you on a real estate agent's list. So if you have a website that doesn't convert visitors into paying customers, you lose those referrals as well. They want to see your online reputation. They want to see what's in it for them by using your firm. Hell, they already know they need a home inspection. The only question they want to know is why they should use you for their home inspection. And if your website doesn't address that in 3 seconds, they back browser you. So it's not just about getting business from the internet, which it is about getting it there, but it's all while those agents are still here. Let's maximize our name on those lists by having a great internet presence.
I understand. Yes, very good.